Hello students, this is Shobik, your instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, in this video we will discuss about type conversion. Type conversion or it is also called type casting of Python. Okay, now what is type conversion? What is type conversion? Well, type conversion is the process of converting the value of one data type to another data type, okay, in Python. Like if we have a variable where a 123 0.23. Now this is a float type of variable. I want to convert this into an integer. In this type of situation we use type conversion. Okay, now there are two types of type conversions in Python. First one is implicit and second one is explicit. Now in implicit conversion, Python automatically converts one data type to another data type without any involvement of an user. Okay, Python does it automatically. Let's take an example of an implicit type conversion. Let's take a variable of integer type 123 float 1.23. Now let's take another data type new and add those okay. Print I hope you all know the function type. This shows the data type of a particular variable in Python. Okay, the function type shows the data type of the intended variable. In here it is a int. Okay, print. Now showing the result of the sum. Let me put this it will and last we will see the data type of the new variable. Data type of a new. Run the program. See, here the data type of a int is integer. The data type of a float is float. Okay, value of a new, just adding these two numbers here, and data type of a new is class float. See, Python automatically converted this integer value into a float value using implicit type conversion. See, it is not an integer, it is a float value. Clear? Okay, now next one is explicit type conversion. In explicit type conversion, users convert data type of an object to the required data type as we wish. If we want to convert one integer to a float or a float to the integer, we can do that using explicit type conversion. I know you all already learned all these things in your 11, but to revise, I have to tell you. Okay, explicit the syntax is required data type within bracket the expression. Okay, this is the syntax of explicit data type. Let me write that one. Explicit type conversion syntax. Okay, now I want to convert this variable, the data type of this variable, into int. Okay, now we know this is a float, but we'll convert it into an integer. A new int a new print and data type of a new now. Type a new. Run the program. See, here a new is float, but after converting a new into the integer, the data type is showing int. And let me show you the new result of the summation that we did here. Print the new integer value of a new. See, it is just showing the integer part of the variable, and it converted from float to integer using explicit type conversion. Okay, explicit type conversion. Okay, that's it for this video. In the next video we will start list, tuple and dictionary. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel, like my video. Enjoy. Thank you.